Hello friends! In today's video I will show you my new project that is Spring Scrapbook. Before I show you the design, let me tell you more about the sponsor of today's video, that is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creative and curious people. They offer thousands of inspiring classes on topics including illustration, arts, crafts, lifestyle and many others. With Skillshare, you can explore new skills or deepen the existing passions. I constantly find myself stressing about the projects I'm working on and not being productive enough. That is why I decided to take a class by Brooke Glaser called Easy Productivity Tips for Artists. In a series of video lessons, she presents techniques and tips that helps us stay organized and not burn ourselves up by trying to do too much at the same time. For example, how to sort tasks by importance, how to create calendars and to-do lists. What I love about the class is that she uses real examples from her life to show how to deal with distractions, procrastination and lack of motivation. Skillshare is created specially for learning, meaning there are no ads and they are always launching new premium classes so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. You will get access to all classes for less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. First 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description below will get a free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video, and now let me show you my new album.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh 'cause I want you. Makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. You won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.